how you can contact customer service on crypto.com. Now, this is a really simple process. There are only few steps. So before moving on with that, if you are new to our channel, go down below and hit the subscribe button. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on upcoming videos. Now, let's just start. So to contact customer service on crypto.com, you have two choices. One is you can contact them via email, or you can just contact them through your number. So to find that, let's just open up our browser and then search for crypto.com customer service. And after you've typed that, here you can see two numbers, center hotline, and then the other is you can just verify your crypto.com Visa card and then just talk to the agent live. So that is how you do it, guys. All you need to do is call them directly, or you can just address your mail or any other complaints to contact@crypto.com. So that is how you do it. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.